Hey guys, welcome back. So guys, we are continuing our Laravel blog series. So guys, this is the part 2, and now guys, in this video we are going to learn about how to make a registration and login system in Laravel 8 application. So guys, as we have seen that in previous video we have set up with our admin dashboard, and now we will be setting up the login and registration part. So guys, let's copy this and open in new tab. So yep, and here you find your login and register. So if you don't find in your application, you need to install that. So guys, for that, let me just show you that command. So let's open the terminal, and here you have to just type your command called composer require Laravel /UI. Okay, and hit enter. Once if you are done with this installation, and then you are going to proceed with the second command, that is your php artisan UI:auth. So and hit enter. So once this is successfully installed, you will find your registration and login files in your auth folder. Okay, so auth and layouts, which we have covered this in the previous video, that is part 1 in admin panel. Okay, so guys, I have already installed this, so I just showed you the command how to install your login and registration. So once you install that, you will find this login and register button in your Laravel application. So now guys, let's click on this login button, and here you see the design is messed, but the input fields are correct. So guys, you need to add a bootstrap for this. So let's get back and go to this login. Okay, let me just kill this terminal. So first let's move to your auth, and you find that login, and here you see the layout app. Okay, so which is extended. So let's go to this layouts folder, inside that app.blade.php, and here you need to find the link the bootstrap css. So we can link that bootstrap over here. You go to your public assets css, we have one style.css. So this is the bootstrap file. Okay, you can see that it's a bootstrap code, which is bootstrap 5 version over here. So let's include this. Let me just edit this itself. Let's go to assets folder, then css, and then styles.css. styles. Okay, styles.css. Save, and you need to link the scripts also, which means that bootstrap bundle link. Okay, so let us just control X and paste here, and just call that assets folder /JS, and then your bootstrap bundle min.js file. Let me just rename, copy, and paste the file name. Done guys. So this is the setup, and now let's refresh. Cool. So our login form is looking fine, and let's click on register. So here is our registration form also. So before registering it, you need to check your database. So here is my database, and my database is right now empty. Okay, no tables found. So guys, now let's migrate the tables. Open terminal and give a command php artisan migrate. Hit enter. So your migrations all is created. Okay, so you can just check your database. Let me refresh. Perfect. So you can find that all the tables has come, which is provided by the Laravel 8. Let's get back, and now guys, you can begin with your registration part. So first let's begin with registration. So I'm going to enter Ved Prakash N. So ved@gmail.com. 1234567 1234567, and now let's click register. Perfect. So you are logged in. your ad home page. Done. Now you can just check that record is registered or not. So you can find that user is registered, guys. Perfect. So now let me log out and let's log in one more record. Let's register once again. Om Prakash om@gmail.com. So password 1234567 1234567 and let's register. Cool. So successfully logged in. Now you can log out. So let's check in our database. So here is the second record, Om Prakash. Let me just edit this name. Okay. So now guys, let's log in. Here we with at gmail.com 1234567 and log in. Perfect. So you're logged in successfully. Done. So guys, this is how we see login and registration in Laravel application. So guys, now let's continue next video about the how to set up the middleware in Laravel. Like if you're logged in as an admin, then you can access this dashboard. If you're not an admin, you cannot access this dashboard. So we'll be seeing in the next part, that is part 3. So guys, in this video, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share.